Have you ever been frustrated trying to set up a meeting, a task that should be so simple and yet frequently isn't? It's often fraught with challenges and delays. What if I told you there was a better way? Hi, I'm Sylvie. I'm part of the Innovative E team, and part of our mission is to help improve lives. We'd like to improve your life today, at least when it comes to setting meetings, with this introduction of Microsoft Outlook's free add-in called Findtime. So the first step is going to be to make sure you've got the Findtime add-in in Microsoft Outlook. So you can follow along with me if you'd like. I've just opened up Outlook, and in the top ribbon, you'll be looking for the Get Add-ins option. And in the search bar here, you'll type Findtime. Go ahead and just add that. Accept the terms and conditions, and there you are. So Findtime is now available to you within Microsoft Outlook. So how are we going to use this? Let's say I have a new project and I'd like to discuss it with the key stakeholders. So I'll start by composing an email, which is probably the process that you use now, and those individuals I'd like to attend would go in the To line. If there are people that are optional for your meeting, put them in the CC line. Our subject for this particular example is let's talk about our new project. So now instead of composing an email message, I'm going to go to the new meeting poll up here on the ribbon, select that, and this is how Findtime will make your life easier. So it's a new project. I think that's probably an hour's discussion. So let's say I want to do something next week, say end of next week. So when I select this time, the first icon is myself, and the green indicates that I'm free. The purple are times that I've tentatively accepted something, and the red is when I've definitively not available. So if you had multiple people in your organization, you'd likely see their availability as well, although not necessarily. And outside folks, people outside your organization, you will not be able to see their availability, and they'll show grayed out. So let's say I'm trying to get a few options for people. Let's say we do something in the morning and something in the afternoon, each of the 3 days next week. So that gives people some options. We have 6 different times selected. When I select next, make sure that I've selected the times that I intended to, and I click here on Add to Email. So now that polling is added within the email and you're ready to go. You can simply send this and wait for responses. I'll show you what that looks like from the recipient's perspective. They'll click the Select Options button, which will take them to a poll, and they simply select the times that they're available or not, and also have the option to select a preferred time. So let's say the preferred time is in the afternoon of Wednesday. They are actually available on Thursday, but not at all on Friday. They're taking that day off. You simply select those options and vote. They get a positive feedback that their vote has been registered, and you'll get the votes coming in on your side for everybody that you've included as a required attendee. Optional attendees do not need to vote, but they can. As the meeting organizer, you'll be receiving emails when attendees vote. The polls will come in looking like this, and you'll see who's voted, who hasn't voted, and how they've selected their preferences. Once consensus has been reached, Findtime is going to automatically schedule the best time available based on required attendees. Optional attendees aren't going to count for this, but a meeting invitation is going to be sent on your behalf to all of the attendees, which will save you time and hassle in meeting preparations. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this valuable, please like, comment, share this with your colleagues, and consider subscribing to our channel for additional work-life hacks to improve your life. Thanks.